This is the Phil and Ted Traveller. It's a travel porta cot. The bag is really small. Let's see how it looks once we assemble it. So once your mattress is expanded by releasing this air valve, it's time to put it into this bassinet mode. Notice this side here, it allows you to make it come down and it becomes a co-sleeper. Now let's take a look at it in a porta cot mode. Okay, let's assemble the porta cot. It was actually easier to assemble the porta cot than it is to assemble the bassinet size. To finish it off, all you need to do is with the mattress, make sure it's expanded, join it together. Another good feature of the Phil and Ted Traveller is the ability to put one side of the mesh down. So all we need to do is go like this, go like that, and like that. So when it's like this, it's more like a playpen.